Welcome. In this brief video, the login for the Box app on your issued iPad will be covered. Box will supersede CloudSync 2, providing the same means of downloading official and up-to-date Wing publications for reference. To begin, make sure Box is installed onto the iPad via the NavAir app catalog. Once installed, select the app from the home screen. Once in the app, select Login at the bottom of the screen. On the Sign into your account page, copy the username that is automatically provided and tap Next. Under the Login button, tap Sign in with SSO. A Microsoft account login page will appear. On the Login username page, paste the previously copied username into the username field and tap Next. On the password page, tap Use a Certificate or Smart Card. You will then select one of two certificates. NavAir NPE currently is used with the CloudSync 2 solution. The second, Box-NavAir NPE, will be used with the Box storage solution. Both certificates will coexist on the device for a period of time during the transition phase from CloudSync 2 to Box. In this case, we'll use the Box-NavAir NPE certificate for use. This concludes the walkthrough for logging into the Box app. If you have any issues, please contact the Batcell Help Desk via email or phone. And as always, keep the dirty side down and the pointy end forward.